I feel dizzy. My chest feels heavy.
Hello, Kavya.
Arun, I am not feeling well.
What happened? Tell me.
I feel dizzy and very weak.
Are you alone at home?
Yes, I am alone.
Do not worry. I am coming now.
Please come fast.
I will reach soon. Please be okay. I must reach home fast. Kavya, I am on the way.
Okay. I am waiting.
Kavya!
I am here.
I am with you now. Drink slowly.
I feel a little better.
Do not worry. I am here. Sit slowly. I am driving carefully.
Okay.
Tell me if you feel dizzy.
I feel weak, but I am okay now.
Just a little more time. We are reaching. Your blood pressure looks good, Kavya. Are you experiencing any dizziness or shortness of breath lately?
A little dizziness in the mornings, doctor, but not much else.
She has weakness and stress. Is she okay, doctor? Yes, do not worry. She needs rest, good food, and care. Give her food on time and medicines. I will take care of everything. You rest. I will cook something for you.
You will cook?
Yes. Today, I am the chef. She must eat well and feel strong. Eat slowly.
No one has ever taken care of me like this.
You are my wife. Your pain is my pain. Eat a little more. You need strength. Here is the water for the medicine. Let me cover you up now.
Thank you, Arun. That feels much better.
Sleep now.
Please stay with me.
I am not going anywhere.
Didn't.